Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can download and install latest version of Microsoft Project legally. First, let's create a folder for Microsoft Project. Right click, new folder, name it Project 2024. Okay, then open Google Chrome, search for Office Deployment Tool. Office Deployment Tool, enter. Download Office Deployment Tool. Download, yes. Show in folder. Just right click, run as administrator. Yes. Click here, continue. On desktop, find your folder, Project 2024. Okay, great. Now, if we check here, we have these two configuration files. I just delete this one. Good. Then open Google Chrome, new tab, Office Customization Tool. Office Customization Tool, enter. Office Customization Tool. My PC is 64-bit. Select this one. From here, I selected Microsoft Office 2024 Professional Plus. I don't need Visio, I just need Projected. I selected Microsoft Projected Professional 2024. Additional none. Okay, latest. I don't need Access, I don't need Skype, I need PowerPoint, Word, Excel, OneDrive, no need, Outlook, no need, Publisher, no need. Next. Language, English, United States. Next. Just make it off. Next. Select KMS. Okay. Scroll down to application reference. Scroll down, click finish. Okay. Export. Selected this one. Okay. I accept. Export. Yes, this one. Copy this one. Come back to your desktop. Open it. Ctrl V. Please make sure that the file name of configuration, just configuration. Good. Copy this one. Ctrl copy. From here, go to disk C. Okay. Ctrl V. This is my project folder. Open it. Copy this path. Directly this path. Ctrl C. Then open command prompt. Command prompt, run as administrator. Open it as run as administrator. Otherwise, it doesn't work. Yes. Just type cd space Ctrl V. That is the path I've just copied. Then enter. Go to Google Chrome. Open new tab. Deploy Office 2024. Click this one. Scroll down. Please don't use this command. Use this one. Copy. Come back to your command prompt. Just Ctrl V. Enter. We just have to wait, nothing more. Now it's starting downloading. Please don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe as respect to our effort. It is done. Just close. Just from here, search for project. This one. Click it. Blank project. That's it. Have a nice time.